Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. Today in this lesson, we are going to see the remaining 25 mispronounced words, their correct pronunciation and their meaning with the help of video clips. If you are very much interested to correct your pronunciation and want to speak like a native, then please stick with me till the end of the video and correct your pronunciation so that you can speak English fluently without any hesitation. Okay, with no more further delay, let's dive into the main session. Good pronunciation is the most important part of spoken English. When you have correct pronunciation, people will easily understand you and you will be more confident to develop your fluency within a short span of time. Well, now we'll see several commonly mispronounced words and their correct pronunciation as well. Let's see the first one. The first one is depot. Don't say deport. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Depot. 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 It means a place of deposit for goods. You can say storehouse.
Get there first. I do not want to work at Home Depot.
The next one is subtle. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Don't say subtle. Try to say subtle. Subtle. Say again, subtle. 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 It means not obvious and therefore difficult to notice.
Admissions.
Will you be wanting the back pot, sir?
Middle of the day, Alfred? Not very subtle.
The Lamborghini, then? Much more subtle.
The another mispronounced word is tom. Don't say tom. Try to say tom. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Tom. Tom. Tomb. A place where a dead person is buried is called a tomb.
If you died right now, I would throw myself into one of my dad's cement trucks and get poured into your tomb.
Let's see the next one. The next one is cloth. Don't say cloth, say cloth. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Cloth. Cloth. It means a piece of fabric that is called cloth.
You could call me man of cloth without cloth.
The another one is clothes. Don't say clothes, say clothes. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Clothes. Clothes. Don't say clothes. It means a pieces of fabric or a garments that is called clothes.
String. My goodness, Annabelle, what have you done to your clothes? You could grow a garden in that much soil. And John.
The next one is genre. Don't say genre. Try to say genre. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Genre. 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 It means a style or category of art, music, or literature.
Hey Charlie, you're a genre nut, Kirby. What's your favorite scary movie?
Bambi. Dork. What?
That's funny, Kirby.
The next one is vegetable. Don't say vegetable. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Vegetable. 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 Say again, vegetable. It means a plant or part of plant which is used as a food.
Bruto. Weed isn't a vegetable.
56.
The next one is women. Don't say woman, say women. Women. Listen carefully and then try to pronounce. Women. 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 Women is the plural form of women.
This is what happens when you don't respect women.
I respect women. My mom
What about me?
Let's see the another one, and that is often. Don't say often, try to say often. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Often, 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 often. It means frequently or repeatedly, most of the time.
Only rumors.
I love rumors. Facts could be so misleading. Were rumors true or false are often revealing.
The another mispronounced word is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Don't say entrepreneur, say entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business.
Cindy here. Oh, damn. Goodness. Hi, Dean, entrepreneur, spiritualist, healer.
Okay.
Nice.
The next one is plumber. Don't say plumber, try to say plumber. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Plumber, 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 plumber. A person whose job is to connect or repair water pipes is called a plumber.
I'll kill that plumber!
The another commonly mispronounced word is February. Don't say February, try to say February. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. February, February. February is the second month of the year.
On the 1st of February, you must come to the factory gates at 10 a.m. sharp. You're allowed to bring one.
The next one is berry. Don't say berry, try to say berry. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Berry, 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 berry. It means put or hide something underground.
This is over.
Darwin's dead, Charles. And we can't even bury him.
We can avenge him.
The next one is pronunciation. Don't say pronunciation, say pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. It is the way in which a letter or word is said.
My name is Dadye, Mr. Dadye. Pronunciation is a very important part of English. I'd hate to fail anybody who couldn't pronounce my name.
Me too, teach.
Mr. Dadye.
Yeah.
Say it.
Let's see the another mispronounced word, and that is jewelry. Don't say jewelry, say jewelry. Jewelry. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Jewelry, jewelry, jewelry. Try to pronounce correctly. Jewelry, jewelry, jewelry. It means an ornament for personal adornment.
Something wrong, sir? She just swallowed a little jewelry. It's all right. Enjoy your dinner.
The next one is data. Don't say data, say data, data, data. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Data, data. It means informations, especially facts or numbers.
This data makes no sense.
The next one is meme. Don't say mimi, say meme. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Meme, meme, meme. Pronounce correctly. Meme, meme, meme. It means an amusing or interesting item.
I'd like a coffin. Her motto is Quan Mem, which translated means all the same or despite everything. Even so.
The next one is potential. Don't say potential, say potential. Potential. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Potential. 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 Potential means something that can develop or become actual.
You know, they say sarcasm is a metric for potential. If that's true, you'll be a great man someday. I'll get the bags.
The next one is ticket. Don't say ticket, say ticket. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Ticket. 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 Ticket means a piece of paper or card given to someone.
You get this parking ticket in front of my airport?
Yeah.
What the hell? It's Christmas!
The next one is receipt. Don't say receipt, say receipt. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Receipt. 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 It means a written acknowledgement of receiver of money and goods.
That is your receipt for your husband. Thank you. And this is my receipt for your receipt.
Mrs. Buttle?
Let's see another commonly mispronounced word, that is congratulation. Don't say congratulation, try to say congratulation. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Congratulation. 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 Congratulation is an expression of joy or pleasure at another's success or good fortune.
George Bush gets Red Saddam's now!
Not exactly, no.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Did you inform this judge?
The next one is tuition. Don't say tuition, try to say tuition. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Tuition. 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 Tuition means a fee paid for instruction or teaching.
So lucky. My dad cried, you know, when I told him I got into Oxford. Maybe it was just the tuition fees.
See, my dad would have.
The next one is chaos. Don't say chaos, try to say chaos. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Chaos. 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 Chaos means a state of disorder and confusion.
Yeah, it's chaos, clocks, watermelons, you know, it's everything.
The next one is yolk. Don't say yolk, say yolk. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Yolk. 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 Try to pronounce correctly. Yolk. 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 It means the yellow middle part of an egg.
Please don't spin me. Do not spin me. Not again. No, no. I'm gonna yoke.
Even though he took. Let's see the next and the last one is coupon. Coupon. Don't say coupon, say coupon. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Coupon. 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 A portion of certificate, ticket, label or advertisement is called coupon.
Chandra Sekar.
Seriously? A coupon? 20% off to Bath & Body Works. Is that how much our imaginary tryst meant to you? A fake rock to your world.
It's all they can afford.
How's that my problem, amiga? I knew he wasn't like...
Okay, this is the end of today's session and I hope all of you enjoyed this video as well as learned something new. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and explore the previously uploaded videos so that you can learn more. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get further notifications when I will upload new videos. Thank you all dear learners. Stay blessed.